Hey everybody, this is Keith with Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. I apologize for the wind, but I just make a quick video on this one. I wish I could take credit for this black beauty, but this is actually a black diamond truck we dealer traded from Tulsa. So Tulsa gets the credit for this, probably Peterbilt Steve Carboni in Tulsa. Good chance he set this one up, but it's black diamond, 260 wheelbase, Cummins X15, 565 horse, 1850 torque, 18 speed, platinum interior. Got the Phoenix light kit on it, all smoked. And Tulsa did their own nice sweet little touch on it. They do the smoked cab lights. Looks really, really good with this black diamond paint. It's absolutely beautiful. Very clean, very tidy. Nice looking truck. I'm not even going to pop the hood on this one. The customer's going to be here to pick it up shortly. But I just thought I'd give you a quick look. 11R22.5 tires. Beautiful Phoenix light kit on it. Apologize for the wind. They do their smoked lenses there in the back. Rear window. We got a 120 fuel tank on this side, and 80 on the other side for a total of 200. Aluminum fifth wheel. And this one is actually drum brakes on the rear, disc brakes on the steer axle. Peterbilt low air leaf, 3.5 inch drop front axle. Alcoa level 1 wheels. Absolutely beautiful truck. And instead of going into the engine, I'm just going to give you a quick view. If you want to see an X15, I guess you can look at some of the other videos. It's the Sahara tan interior. And this is not the platinum interior, it's the prestige interior. Fired up. Full gauges. Got the PTO switch here. AM/FM stereo in it, no CD player. It's all wired and ready to go for a CB antenna. It does not have the premium sound, but it does have the speaker right here for the CB. You don't have the premium sound here, otherwise you'd have a tweeter right here. So you just got some nice speakers. 58 inch flat top. Pretty standard, nothing fancy. Again, this is not a super fancy truck, but still very, very nice interior. Dual air ride seats. Just absolutely beautiful truck. 18 speed. There's the look. There's the view down the hood. It's Keith Couch, Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. You can call me at 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, COUCHK, @rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching, and keep her between the ditches. See ya.